Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Friday 20th of July with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at euro dollar, which still remains in this little trend channel lower over the last couple of weeks. We had a rebound yesterday from 1572 because we sort of broke that 16 figure level, which had been a basis of support. And it looked as though the market was shaping for a retest of the range lows again, but it closed above that level and has sort of been supported today. But you can certainly say that that trend channel to the downside remains intact. And looking at the momentum indicators as well, there is still a sort of a mild corrective element to this chart that suggests that there is still the likelihood or the negative bias towards the bottom of the range, sort of just 1505. So we are still sort of looking at this as, I suppose, now as the market edges lower within this trend channel, that you'd sort of sell into strength near term. This is very near term because medium term is still trading sideways, but certainly looks as though that near term little trend channel lower remains sort of a drag to the downside. Here we see on the hourly chart where you've got sort of this run of lower highs, low lows, sort of depicted, I suppose, on that trend channel. You've got the RSI sort of failing around 60. Now you've got the stochastics also rolling over. So the resistance from yesterday, 1680, is the initial resistance, and then you've got 1720, which within sort of this sort of move sideways has been a little bit of a pivot. Caught the lows there, reaction high, and then subsequently sort of formed a couple of lows here. So there is a degree of sort of resistance at 1720 to watch out for, certainly. But if you break above that, then you're looking at that reaction high at 1790 again, and also you'd have broken the trend channel lower. So this is this little rally within the trend channel that comes in as resistance around 17 figure today, sort of suggests still that there is a touch of room potentially for a rally, but as I said, 1680 is that resistance initially from yesterday's high, which is worth noting. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.